How to cancel TripIt Pro subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can cancel TripIt Pro subscription. Now, to do that, the first step will be for you to open up the store where you got the application from. It could be Play Store, it could be App Store, whichever one. Just ensure you open up the store. Once you're on the store's page, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Payments and Subscriptions. Amongst the options displayed, select Subscriptions. So on the subscription page here, you see your TripIt Pro subscription listed amongst others here. Alright, you see them here. The reason why mine is on here is because I have not subscribed to the paid version, to premium version. So once you're on this page, select the TripIt Pro subscription page. Then by the bottom part of the screen, you see the option cancel subscription. Just click on that. And so you'll be asked to select a reason. So what exactly is the reason? For me, it's order. Then you can type out what is making you cancel, or you can decline to answer. Then click on continue, and you'll be notified about when your subscription is meant to expire. Click on cancel subscription regardless, and then just like that, your subscription will be cancelled. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.